Khyati, first make it full screen, then share.
Yeah, now it's visible, no?
It's visible. Yeah.
Yeah. Where are malefics? And there must be rin or debt from past life. So in this birth, we have to pay back those things. The technique. Mm. Technique is like all the planets, we have to check which are the malefics. Malefics, we can say Rahu, Ketu, Mandigulika, and Saturn. So these are the malefics, but Sun is, we can say, Krur Graha. It's not malefic, but it's Krur Graha, like Father. Father always teaches us with, you know, a gussa, we can say, angry nature. So Sun say. So see where the malefic chart, there are rin or debt from past life. Person has to pay in this birth. This is the reason you are born to pay pending karma. There is past life debts in the reason you. This is the first example. I have taken this example, the real life persons. They have past life sessions. So I know their past life. So according to
Khyati, your screen shut down. Khyati? Yeah. Khyati, we can't hear you. You're mute. And mute yourself.
now am I audible?
Now you're audible.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Start.
Yeah. So now here we can see malefics, Mars and Mandi are in second house in Cancer sign. And third house has Rahu, Saturn with Jupiter. And here Jupiter is the Badhak because we have Gemini ascendant here. Second house person's voice is like horrible. Even I can say no one wants to listen the voice. And it's like horrible. There is no treatment of this for this voice even. So this is past life pending karma. She has done something in past life. She has not done actually, but she got died like hanged. Someone hanged her and she died. So due to that, she has this kind of voice. Mars and Mandi aspecting 8th house also. Person is in occult. He's pending karma towards occult also. Problem with in-laws, not just normal problem which everyone has. Husband has all kind of addiction, like including all kind of drugs and whatnot. Cancer is the sign of mother. She has to take care of mother to complete lifetime, even after marriage, even after kids also. So Leo is the sign of father. Native lost his father in childhood and all responsibilities are on her. So that's why she is taking care of her mother, from childhood. This is the second chart. Here, Saturn and Rahu in 11th house. Lord is Sun. In this chart, Sun is Karka of husband also in 7th house, Sun sitting. So Native is always doing seva of her husband like a nurse. And husband is always, behave like a king. And due to overweight, she has to do each and everything for her husband, like a servant, we can say, or nurse. It's a very good word I have used, but Yeah, like servant, she is doing everything for her husband. So this is a, big pending karma. No one can do this kind of seva, from, years and years. I really hats off to her, but these are, her pending karmas. Mars in the sixth house in mean. Mars, Mercury, and Venus are together, but we are taking malefics. And aspecting 12th house. 12th house, there is a six Rogran Ripu, we can say the sign. Person had an accident and got hurt in legs. After that, always she has problem in legs from knees to toe. Saturn and Rahu both are retro. Saturn and Rahu both are retro, and degrees also we can see. So retro planet we can take here also. In this chart, here Mandi Mars is Badhak because Leo ascendant, so Badhak is Aries. And aspecting fifth house, Mandi, Mars, and Venus, where Sun and Moon are already there. Sun and Moon are already there. Person has no own kids, no love life. Means person first love, his first wife died, second wife had one or two miscarriages, and then they adopted a baby girl. And all these relations, first wife, second wife, the girl they adopted, everyone from from his past life, which we have, or matlab, he knows his past life, he had past life sessions. So Rahu and Saturn are in second house. The person used to cook and feed the family most of the time, including in-laws, because he has only wife and baby in their family, but only complete family we can say with in-laws only. So he always cook for in-laws. In-laws, wife never cook. So this is also pending karma to cook and feed someone like that. Saturn is Lord of sixth house. Saturn is Lord of sixth house, aspecting eighth house. Saturn is sitting here in second house and aspecting eighth house. Person is doctor and doing seva because in last birth he took lot of seva from many people. So this in this birth he is doing the seva. In this chart, here Rahu, Saturn, Sun, all are together in sixth house. Person has huge problem in job, like complete frustration. Person has to live away from family, always, and due to job, and he changed his job like 3 to 4 times due to politics in job, and he was like frustration was like he has to take some medicine because of the frustration and irritation and other things. So Mars and Moon are in the seventh house. Person has difficult married life. Difficult means no words, that much difficult married life. In this chart, Saturn and Mars are in seventh house, no marriage life, divorced, like badly divorced. Rahu and Ketu are in fourth, 4 and 10 axis. So pending karma towards parents. The native is alone taking care of her parents, and in workplace also she has lots of problem. She has changed 2 to 3 times the complete industry of the work, like that, and it was ended like suddenly. And this is a chart of Sonia Gandhi. Saturn and Mandi are in Lagna. In Cancer sign, Saturn, Lord of the seventh house. Saturn is a Lord of the seventh house. She has lived her motherland country after marriage. We all know this thing. We all know her. Husband also died early. First and seventh house axis, we can see. Ketu is in fifth house. Ketu is in fifth house with Sun and Mercury. She had love marriage. That is also karmic. Obviously, I don't know their past life because I don't have their past life session. So Mercury is a prince. We all know that. And the Rahul Gandhi, no need to say anything. We all know this very well. And obviously, that is also past life pending karma, na? If we are, in her place, what we can think, I mean, we can feel, we can understand this, no need to say anything. Mars is in sixth house. The enemies in politics always are there. That also we know. How, enemies are there for the Gandhi family, and after her husband, how she is taking everything. And this is the chart of Sanjay Dutt. Saturn is in second house. He has drug addiction. We all know this thing. Rahu Gulika is in Virgo in the sign of Rogrin Ripu and court also. Okay, and he has multiple court cases, that also we know. Mars is in the 10th house and it is Lagna Lord as well. So he is doing, bodybuilding and all this thing, good body he made, and good money also he has. But in career, up and down, always were there because of this, cases and different things he was involved, and jail and other things. Mandi is in 12th house with Jupiter, and which is dispositor of Ketu. 12th house sign Libra. Lord Venus is with Mars in 10th house here. Okay. So this is creating Bandhan Yoga. He went to the jail. We all know these things. So thank you very much. This was my little presentation.
Fantastic, Khyati. Excellent presentation.
Thank,
Very good presentation.
thank you, ma'am.
Any
you.
questions?
No questions. I'm happy. Oh, okay.
No, there are. Don't worry. Yes, Anirban. Unmute yourself, Anirban.
Okay. You used, I think, example 3, the D60 chart. Can you also share the Rashi chart for that? I think example 3, it was a D60 chart.
We can take
And
D60 also, no problem.
That's fine, but I would like to, if maybe on
You
the
can
chat or
take
something,
the
share.
birth detail. You can take the birth detail, but these
Okay.
are,
I saw
the
the birth detail on that. Okay.
yeah. Okay. But sometimes we, as sir taught us, we are using mostly D1, D9, and D60. Correct, ma'am?
Yes. So
On all the
everything that you can see from the D1 chart, you can see from the D60 chart, which is everything. Everything that you can see from D1, you can also see from D60. So all of us, we use D60 chart very widely.
yeah.
Yes, Anu, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, hello. Um, this technique needs to, I need to give some time to work on charts, but I just wanted the first and second example. I was not able to take down the details. Just want those two example once again.
जी
First and second.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Anup, these recordings will remain with you people. You
yeah,
can
so
take
that
it down from Thinkific na. Any presentation
Okay,
you miss or anything you miss, you can always go back to Thinkific and open the recording and see it.
okay. I'll do
But
that.
if you
Just
have
one
a
more
doubt, you
question.
can ask. But yes, as you rightly said, this is a technique, which you need to work over. It's a very, very important technique. A very, even as a basic layman, you can work with this technique that you see wherever the malefics are placed, that some of the other issues will be there. But this is something you really need to work on, this technique.
Yes, ma'am,
Not
because
an
we
easy
need to.
technique.
Yes,
Ah,
previous one is the easy one. Is very easy to see. In a
direct
quick
technique.
glance, you will be able
Ah,
to find that. But for
yeah.
this, you need
This is
at least 2-3 minutes.
yes, this is a difficult technique, but it's a fantastic technique.
Yes, that I can
Fantastic
say.
means
And it,
amazing. I
yeah,
saw it
and it
working
requires a
really.
lot of hard work. So
Yeah.
actually, work on this technique and send us homework so that we know that you were working on it.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. The other question, like
Hmm.
when the other person asked the question, and you mentioned ki we can see it from D1, D9, and D60. So to see a D60 chart, we need to look it as same as the D1, like all the rules would be same, or there
Yeah,
should be some other consideration,
no, same.
or everything is same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
जी शिखा जी.
Thank you so much, Khyati. Wonderful presentation. And I, in fact, found this one easier, maybe because I cross-checked with a few charts and it completely matches. Like I'll tell you this one. So this person has Mars in the fourth house
Uh-huh.
and has issues with her mom. As in issues, matlab, obviously mom है तो there's this
Correct.
liking, but then when they are together वो they will not get along, कुछ ना
हम्म,
कुछ तो group
होगा
एकदम
ही.
ही अलग जाएगा.
धमाका होगा. हाँ.
Problem with father-in-law, because I think fourth house is father-in-law as well. So
हाँ.
problem with father-in-law also. Then apparently Shani Rahu in the 12th house.
Okay.
So sleepless nights, doesn't get good sleep, dreams, vivid dreams all the
Vivid.
time.
Rahu is there.
Huh,
Yeah.
always there.
Uh,
Ketu is obviously falls in the sixth house.
Sixth
So
house.
this person was brought up in her mamu's place,
Ah, Mama's house
like
is sixth house.
mama's
Yeah.
house. Yes,
Ah,
because twin brother है साथ में. So
uh-huh.
the mama offered कि इसको मैं ले जाता हूँ. दो बेटियों के बाद ये बेटी हुई है with the twin brother, like the twin
Brother.
boy. So you keep the boy, I'll take the girl because
Uh,
this was the third girl, and I'll take her and इसको मैं पाल लूंगा. So this girl was brought up to मतलब बहुत पूरे टाइम तक नहीं, but to a certain age at the mama's place. So ये तो मेरे लिए
How
बहुत easy था.
beautiful. Yeah,
So,
how beautiful, na?
firstly, let me correct you
अभी
on one thing, Shika.
Yes.
Fourth house is not father-in-law, it is the fifth house, which is the father-in-law.